Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we embark on an emotional journey, facing the terrifying power of nature. From devastating earthquakes to tsunamis that swallow everything in an instant, we will witness the brutal destruction and the fragility of human life. These terrifying moments will not only send chills down our spines, but also remind us of our responsibility to protect our planet. Let's experience 60 unforgettable moments to gain a deeper understanding of the importance of preserving the environment. Are you ready for this challenging journey? The tsunami struck suddenly, sweeping away all the large and small cars parked along the road, sweeping away everything in its path. The storm was so white that the trees could not resist its power. The wave suddenly crashed in, creating a resounding sound and a scene of devastation. The tornado was like a giant spout, rolling rocks and soil upward. Boiling lava flows like a river of fire, threatening everything around. Huge black vortex columns moved quickly, destroying everything. Large pieces of land collapsed, dragging along trees and coastal structures. The power of this storm is terrible. The tsunami was so strong that boats and cars were swept away like toys. Suddenly, a large piece of rock collapsed, causing surrounding trees to fall as well. The sand tornado rolled around, carrying thick dust that obscured vision. The swirling winds blew sand high, covering houses and roads. The house was engulfed in a fierce red fire. The tsunami submerged the entire city in an instant. Bright flashes of lightning like electric rays covered the sky. A giant block of ice collapsed, shaking the entire sea. The white snow was falling off the cliff and rushing towards the village. The snow fell so fast black smoke rose to cover the sky, and the sound of burning trees sounded terrifying. The fire flared up fiercely, and the sound of the burning trees was terrifying. The sand tornado is like a giant millstone crushing everything around it. The landscape after the tsunami was only ruins and shattered fragments. The sandstorm came, covering the sky with a layer of dust. The harsh, hissing sound of the sandstorm echoed, bringing a suffocating feeling. The wind of this storm is terrifying. The heavy rain covers the sky. Oh my God, no! The power of this storm is terrible. The trees seem to be unable to withstand it anymore. Dense fog covered the air. Dense fog reduces visibility for drivers and other vehicles. The mass of soil suddenly collapsed, blocking the entire road, making it difficult for vehicles to move. The heavy snowstorm caused visibility to become limited. The snow fell like a waterfall to the ground. Large pieces of ice are melting and sinking into the ocean. Boundless white snow poured down, sweeping everything in its path. The giant icebergs cracked. They were sinking into the sea. Lightning appeared, emitting large electric sparks as if it wanted to burn everything. The scene of a volcanic eruption is both majestic and terrifying, with brilliant flowing lava. The sky turned orange as the sandstorm raged violently. Oh my God, it's scary! Strong winds blew the roof off the house. Violent ocean waves crashed onto the shore, creating a resounding sound like thunder. This scene is so scary. Oh my God. Join Protect Nature on a thrilling journey to explore the mystical powers and awe-inspiring challenges bestowed by Mother Nature. The upcoming magical moments will not only leave you in awe, but also ignite a passionate love for our green planet, inspiring you to take action to protect Earth. If this message touches your heart, spread it by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel to embark on emotional adventures through stunning footage where the pristine beauty of nature is revealed. Together, we can safeguard the only home humanity has and create a better world for future generations. See you on the next inspiring journey.